Alright, I've already cut the hole in here. I just punched a hole on each side, cut it down, and I thinned some of this out now, but I have to do a little more here. So let's do it. This is my homemade Skyver knife, I guess. So we're going to use this. A bit of time, a little bit more. So when you fold it back, we'll just keep working on it. Now we're going to make the keeper. Cut it in a strip, 1/2 inch wide. Folded the belt here in half. Overlap it here, on the edges here, and we'll split it down. And we'll do the other side, glue it together. Okay, we'll put some glue on here, we'll clamp it, and then we'll sew it after tomorrow. Line it up and let it sit overnight. Yeah, let's see if it clamped. Oh, there you can see it, it's split. So now I'm going to take my awl and push a couple holes, and then we'll sew it just to make sure. Four holes here. No one sees that you sew it, but it might as well sew it, then it holds it. You don't ever have to worry about it. Okay, we'll sew it. Have a look after. Sew it from the back, so you can tie it at the back. Okay. Oops. Let's see, it's all stitched there in case the glue lets go. Just gonna trim her off. I'll just put a little glue on there just to hold it. There, now that's going to be good. Okay, so here it is. Skin down a little bit, put my keeper in there. It's going to look good, just like that. Instead of riveting, stitch a little here, 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 here. Okay, we'll put the buckle on. This buckle on here, and then you can see it stitched there. Okay, now we're going to stitch the next ones. Saddle stitch here. Tie them inside there. Just push that down. There you go. So we'll do the other side and we'll show you what it's like when it's done. Okay, here we are done. That looks good. Folds in there, pretty nice. I'll have to trim it to size. If you're sharp and you've been paying attention, you'll notice this is a different buckle. I gave that other one to another person, and so I thought the next person this is getting this belt would use a different buckle. So that's the importance of getting a different buckle, a different style belt. You have to consider the person that it's going to. So not every person gets the same belt or the same buckle. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.